Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Hyundai Veloster, stock number Z9703B. Very low miles, only 21,000 miles. On this trade-in, comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Color is called Vitamin C. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 4 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. Not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Veloster has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Again, only 21,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. 6-speed manual transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Veloster has a 1.6 liter, 4-cylinder, 132 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 35 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Veloster, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.